Hello, my name's Michael Terry. Here's another project I did on the Riggles Sportsman's Club's water. They went through here years ago and put stone structure on the sides, and kind of caused it to be all flat, and really didn't have any structure to it, which you'll see. And I brought in structure from the surrounding woods and made it so it had some depth pools and has a flowing run to it, as you'll see here through the video. The majority of the work that I do is for brook trout restoration in our Pennsylvania backwoods. It's been decimated pretty bad over the years due to overfishing and stocking of non-native species of fish. The stream used to run pretty flat, pretty shallow. I went ahead and gorged out areas such as this middle here where you see all that foaming, frothing, pooling water. Took the rock from underneath there and placed it above where it was naturally elevated to help create a plunge pool. Same here. Gorged out rock. Placed it above, put some wood structure in here along these banks, logs with rock placement, and gorged out right here at the base of these really nice big rocks. Creates a pool up above, nice pool structure. Gorged out the rock from the middle here. Placed it behind and above, have a center point. Now the water plunge pools. Same process throughout this whole section. Gorging rock, placing above, gorging rock out, placing it either below to create these mounds of rock and or above. Rock sections gorged out, creates a pool. The rock sections create insect habitat, has nice flow over them, continuously pumping water. Same process. Gorged out with the rocks being placed up above and below the pool. Same process here with a wood structure going along the side of this. That's created a nice pool. This is basically right here how the stream looked. Just like that. As you can see, the water really pumps through here with the pool effects. It's not choked up at all. Here's the side high banks that I was talking about that they created. They took all the rock structure here and made these real long rock banks. Those rock banks will stabilize the stream bed, but they gorged out the rock to do so, which causes it to be a flat channel, and it only looked like that. Didn't have any pools. It only looked like this. But I left their rock structure they made back in the early 30s or 40s from what I understand. They made these high side bank walls, gorging the rock out here. So I left those, but I put new rock in. All excavated from out beyond the woods here. Nice pulling effect underneath the walkway bridge here. Here's old structure that the Sportsman's Club put in years ago. Woody structure. But what that caused it to do is it caused it to ride along the whole entire length of this stream here, which kind of flattened it out itself even, because it wasn't put in properly. What I've done is I filled it all in with stone and made certain point areas where it would have a main flush. So the water centralized to an area, which along these high banking stone walls, which are pretty secure, that won't affect it going over the side. Plus the water flow will come along these banks and will still flow through these middle sections and then down through the middle, especially with these high stone walls. Here's another area where basically you see this rock through this middle section right here. That was the rock that was at the base of this old plunge pool that was made with the log structure and stones. This is healing in pretty well too. Starting to thin out a little bit. There's a little pool structure in the middle of that and a nice base of stones here now also. It wasn't here before. Nice plunge pool. And you can see how it's all natural healing, and you see how the leaves are starting to fill along the sides here and the sides on that side. And then it's got a main direct plunge pool directly straight in the middle of it. It's created a nice flowing area throughout. It's holding its depth, holding a lot of depth through these plunge pools here. And you can see how wide they had made it throughout the years of putting these stone structure. There's another nice log structure, and this is being filled in slowly by sediment and leaves and everything, creating a centerized point. This is up to the bridge, right where the bridge is. Nice flowing pump of water. Sorry about that. Nice flowing pump of water. It comes into it. I gorged out just this section here slightly amount so that it would provide a nice fast flow for these pools here. As you can see, nature's now taking its course, filling in these areas with side grass. It's naturally healing. It's becoming a little bit more constricted. You can see where all this, that big hook right there of leaf and debris, and then it's got a nice centered channel point the whole way throughout here. This was work that I did on the Riggles Sportsman's Club in central Pennsylvania, near the town of Altoona. My name is Michael Terry. Thank you for your time.